Alright, more terror fun with the Eachine Mini P51D Mustang. And when I got out here it was 7 to 14. I know it's a lot more than that now, but I haven't pulled out my wind meter. Again, it is in complete manual mode. As you can see, the gyro's not doing anything. Okay, so let's see if we can get it in the air. And there it is in the air. Whoa. Yeah, a lot more wind now. I hope you guys are seeing this. I hope I'm getting it on camera. Hey, you can do stuff. Look at that. Man, that thing is fast going downwind, isn't it? Whoa. Throttle back. Oh, sure, I throttle back and then the wind dies down a little bit. Whoa. 3 minutes. Boy, I tell you, that's a fast minute there. Yeah, you can do stuff. Cool. So nose it in, trying to turn into the wind. Whoa, that is really sporadic. Hey, a loop. Whoa, another loop. I figured the wind would push it from there to 200 meters behind me if I tried that. Nice to know. Nice to know you could do a loop in this wind. 2 minutes. Alright, let's bring it back over here. More terror fun. Sweet. Is that sweet or what? Can you believe that I am flying this and this kind of wind in full manual mode and it's handling it? I mean, that is the amazing thing. I figured I would launch it when I got out here in this kind of wind. I would immediately have to put it into gyro mode. Look at that. That is absolutely awesome. Alright, let's turn downwind again. Back upwind. That is too cool. Check that out. I've said before that this plane is an absolute blast in a lot of wind in intermediate gyro mode. I had no idea it could be this fun in complete manual mode and this kind of wind. That is awesome. Okay, let's do one more roll here. Whoa, that was iffy. And then see if we can get it down on the ground. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, well, maybe. 3, 2. Hey, that wasn't too bad. Man, what a blast. Okay, I'm gonna put another battery in it. before the wind gets to the point where I just can't handle it anymore. So, and it's almost there now. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, last terror fun flight of the day. Yeah, wind is definitely picking up, but it's still sporadic. And as you can see, no gyro input, still full manual mode. Alright, the most hazardous part, launch. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, that wasn't so bad. The wind died down right as I launched it. That doesn't usually happen. Ooh. That is so sweet. I absolutely love this little plane. Now, I wouldn't be attempting this manual mode flight, completely manual mode flight with this plane and this kind of wind if I did not have the TX16S transmitter. I can tell you that. I don't think I could do it without a hobby grade transmitter. So I will have a link. Check that out. Is that cool? I will have a link to this plane, of course, in the show notes. Whoa, look how fast going downwind. As well as a link to the TX16S in the show notes. If you want to be able to fly these little micro ready to fly planes like this, you really need something like this TX16S. Check that out. Full manual mode. Can you believe that? That is absolutely awesome. Well, look at it speed up going downwind. And look how slow going upwind. Ooh, I almost did it there. Awesome. I would not have believed that this plane would handle this in manual mode and this kind of wind. I never would have believed it. That is absolutely fantastic. So what do we call this? Terror fun. Whoa, it sailed back behind me that time, didn't it? That was a gust. Now it's dying down a little bit. One minute. Absolutely cool. Ooh, that sailed. I was trying to pull a loop there, and the wind caught it. Heck, it might take 30 seconds to get it on the ground. Okay, let's get lined up here for a landing. Oh, that didn't work out. Cartwheeled it. I just about hit myself. But it is still all in one piece. Now, that was the way to end a Terror Fun session. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the air.